What's up, you guys? It's Jerika. Welcome back to my channel. So let me start over. I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw some press-on lashes, and I just did not know that that was a thing. I've seen, obviously we use the strip lashes. That's what everybody uses these days, including myself. People get lash extensions, which I've gotten one time, but I decided against them because I like to be able to sleep comfortably. And when you wear lash extensions, you can't sleep the way you want to sleep because when you wake up, they be going every which way. So I've only gotten them one time and I never got a fill. And then obviously there's like the mascara ones, the ones that you apply the glue and then you put the lash on that way, which I also have not tried yet. I don't have anything against glue. I don't mind using glue. It took me a while to find some glue that would work for me because the duo glue and all the other glues that people recommended did not work for me for some reason. Even when I let it get tacky, that my lashes wouldn't stick. So I was pretty much frustrated and out of luck until I found the Kiss Super Stronghold glue, which I will leave down below because people are always asking me what glue I use. So for this video, you don't need any glue. And that's what drew me to these lashes. Not that I have anything against glue because I wear glue all the time, but just what's the word I'm looking for? The convenience of these is what drew me to them, and the fact that they look natural. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. So this is what they look like, y'all. They are, I don't know if you guys can see it, my lights are really bright, but this is what they look like, little clusters. And normally when you get cluster eyelashes, you put them on top of your lash, but these are specifically designed to go under your lash. Yeah, that's probably the only thing that kind of worries me because I've never applied false lashes under my lash line because I've just, I don't know, maybe because the idea of doing that with the strip just seems too close to my eyeball and the glue. So I don't know. I ain't never tried it, but since these don't require glue, I figure I will go ahead and try them and see how they look. So if you want to see how they look, then keep watching.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you.
Okay, so first of all, it says no glue needed, secure 24-hour hold, easy removal, and safe for your natural lashes. Just press and go. And it comes with the lashes, of course, and I got mine in the style voluminous. And it also comes with the little lash applicator tool. My box is beat up because my daughter got a hold of it, and thankfully she didn't get to rip any lashes off. But apparently this is enough to apply to your eyes like 2 times, I think. Is that what it was? 2 or 3 times? Because these are not reusable. That's the only thing that I don't like about these, that they're not reusable. But obviously I don't know how they could be, seeing that no glue is needed. So obviously the adhesive that's applied to them is eventually going to wear off. So that makes sense. Okay, I got one of the clusters. Let me show you guys. If it'll focus. Okay, so it's not focusing for some reason, probably because it's so little, but you can see like the strips of adhesive on there. So that is what you use to apply. I feel like I'm going to screw this up. Like, I am going to screw this up. So I'm going to start in the outer corner of my eye first and see if I can do this. I'm scared. Why am I scared? There's no glue. There's no glue in this. I don't have no space for this, you guys. I don't have no space. I'm finna try it. I'm finna try and put it on. This is not a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing. This is just me trying them. Okay, so I probably need a compact mirror. Ew, that was easy. That was so, I hate I'm doing this video at night because now I'm gonna have to take them off and it's gonna be a waste of an application. Ooh, that was so easy. Okay, let me try the next one. Okay, so I got 2 on. So we zoom y'all in so y'all can see. So I got 2 on. I don't know if y'all can really tell. So yeah, you can definitely see them. Maybe I should have got natural. Because now that I'm looking at this, these are doing a bit much, which is fine. Because y'all know I wear those type of lashes any day. But I just wasn't. I don't know. Let me just finish adding these on and just see. Ooh. All right, so maybe it's just these specific ones that I picked. So these are, like I said, the glamour one, I mean the voluminous ones. And see, the first one that I put on has like something stuck to it, so it's kind of irritating my eye, so that's a problem. It has something on it. But overall, I really like the idea of these, and maybe I'll try a different style. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so I have both eyes done, and on this eye I only use 3 clusters instead of 4. This eye I use 4. So like I said, I am loving the idea of these, and I really do like them. But ooh, this one over here I need to fix. But one thing I don't like, the glue from the packaging, from them sticking to the package, it's coming off onto the lash when I take it off to put it on my eye. So like you could see like these white dots under my eye from the little clear adhesive glue that they use to stick these onto the packaging, and it doesn't come off. So it's like in person you can see the glue from the packaging stuck to the lash cluster, if that makes sense. If you wear fake lashes, you know what little clear gooey glue I'm talking about. So that's literally stuck to the part that you're supposed to stick to your eye. So like when I'm looking in the mirror, I can see the little glue to the lash. So that's kind of weird, and I can't take it off, because if you try and get the glue off of the lash, then the little cluster, the hairs on the cluster are very sensitive. Ooh, man, I don't know if I can deal with this one over here. Oh, okay, I just took it off. Like the hairs will go every which way, so that's weird. And I can't show y'all what I'm talking about. Oh, I dropped it. Let me try and reapply this one because... Okay, so as you can see, this eye over here looks a little bit more natural than this eye. This eye over here just looks crazy. But this eye, I only applied 3 versus 4, and I like that look so much better. So you guys let me know which eye you like better. This eye over here and this eye over here. I guess it depends on like what look you're going for. If you're looking for more natural everyday lash, then I would probably go with this side. But if you're trying to do the most, then maybe you can apply 4 clusters like I did on this eye. So there's 20 clusters. So yeah, I'm like 2 full applications, because that means I would need 6 per eye. So I would get 3 applications and then there'd be 2 left, but I've wasted 2 because they didn't come off right. They kind of like went every which way after I took them off the packaging. So I guess you got a few to play with in case you mess up some. So you basically get 3 applications if you're only going to use 3 clusters. But if you're going to use 4 clusters, you're going to get like 2 applications. So these were $15 or $16. So you just have to decide, like, do you want the more natural look with no glue for $16, or do you just want to do the strips where you can rewear them over and over again and pay like whatever you pay for your reusable strips? So you just have to decide. But there are people who take the strips and apply them under their natural lash line, but I just have not done that because I just find it really hard to do. But if you're doing that, then you probably won't even need these. But these are for the girlies who don't want to use glue and who want their lashes to look natural. So they do look very natural from above because you can't see no strips. So that I like. But these were interesting to try. So let me know down below if you guys have tried these, if you're going to try them. I will leave them linked down below in the description bar, the kind that I have. And yeah, these are my thoughts. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this eye over here because it's really kind of irritating me. so I might end up taking these off. I'm not even sure, but let me know down below again what you guys think. And if you are new here, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and all my OG subscribers, thank you. You guys know who you are. And if you like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok at JERIKASYNCERE. But that is it for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.